Welcome back to our channel. We are at Sandals Ochi Beach Resort in the beautiful Ocho Rios, Jamaica. And we're gonna give you a tour of our room. So when we booked our room, we reserved the Honeymoon Poolside Villa. And when we arrived and checked in, we got a great upgrade to the Honeymoon Poolside Grande Deluxe Villa. And it has a suite in it, which is an extra bonus for us. We're gonna start the tour off in our bedroom. So this Honeymoon Poolside Grande Deluxe Villa has a large king size bed in it, great TV, and I love all of the beautiful wood furniture here. It definitely gives off that Caribbean vibe. And another thing I want to mention about this room, when we first walked into our room, it was freezing cold. We went from the extreme humidity outside to like an Arctic chill in our room. The room temperature was already set to 18 degrees Celsius, which is 64 degrees Fahrenheit. And unfortunately, even after turning off the thermostats on the wall, we haven't been able to get our room much cooler. They do give you a remote control that you can use to control the thermostat, which I think is pretty cool, but I still can't figure out how to make it warmer. So it's not doing me a great deal of help right now, but they do provide that for you. So next we have the bathroom. It's a great bathroom, comes with a lot of great extras. There's a scale in here. I've never seen a scale in a hotel bathroom before, but I like it because, you know, that can sort of keep you in check, you know, with your health, if you're health conscious and you want to make sure that you don't go too overboard during your vacation. So I like that added touch. Another thing that we love about Sandals resorts are the RedLane toiletries that they give you. They're great size, large size, 3.4 fluid ounces, and they give you everything that you need, and they're great products. RedLane is the brand, the Sandals brand. It's also the name of their spa as well, and they have awesome products. I love that the closet in our bedroom comes with these awesome, thick, super comfy robes. There's also extra pillows and a blanket in the room, in the closet as well, which has come in handy because, as I said before, it's been freezing cold in the room. So I'm glad that we have this nice, comfy, warm blanket to keep us warm. And next we have the living room part of our suite. As I mentioned before, we got an upgrade, which gave us a living room with a sofa, TV, desk as well. Really, really great upgrade for us. And then the next room is a mini bar. So yeah, great area as well. You get a full-size bar with full-size bottles of alcohol, wine, liquor, and then you also get a little mini fridge that is fully stocked as well with, you get beer, another bottle of wine, champagne, water, sodas, and juice as well. And you also get all of your bar necessities, all of your glasses and everything in here, as well as a coffee maker. We don't drink coffee, so we're not utilizing that, but we are utilizing everything else in this room. And the next part of the room is by far our favorite part of the room. Let's show you the back, the outside, the backyard. So just outside of our living room, you get to walk out to the patio. So the best part of this villa is the pool, the semi-private pool that is literally steps from our back door. This villa has 4 different rooms in it. It has 2 rooms downstairs that have a walkout directly to the pool, and also 2 rooms upstairs as well. Our villa happens to be one that's on the bottom floor, so we are able to literally walk straight from our living room onto our patio and right out into the pool. This is a great option if you don't want to be down at the main pool at the resort that can get a little crowded, and you just want to have some peaceful, relaxing, quiet time in the pool. You have this great pool that's right outside your door. There's also a partial ocean view as well, so if you look just over the bushes here, you can get a little bit of an ocean view, but it's just so tranquil, so relaxing, and a great added benefit. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Also, hit that bell for notifications. We'll have more content like this coming soon.